Slayton here, Be Strong Honey, another exciting removal. This one's in the overhand. You got your typical hive right there. So what's up, bro? Typical neighborhood, South Texas. ¿Qué manda saludos? Homeowner. A ver si nos estamos riendo ahorita cuando empieza el pedo. Sí. We'll get started. Let me see the saw. Bring me a cat, please. I need some glasses. Just my sunglasses at least, just so I don't get that junk in my eyes. Proud to be a beekeeper shirt. Shot no more. You turn the camera. Turn the camera. You turned it? Let me see my spray bottle. Where's my flashlight? My flashlight. Sí.
Volví a salir y me da chingo y lo llevo a mi carnal. Le digo, ¿dónde sabes qué? Pinche madre, tapa el tronco por la pared de abejas.
De abejas, sí. Sí.
No, me de rato, pues, no, le dije, ya no vuelvo a salir para afuera. Le dije, no, pues, ¿para qué?
No, cae. ¿Qué tipo de perro era el que mataron?
Estaba chavalón.
¿Estaba testo de abeja o no? ¿Estaba lleno de abeja?
No, pues nomás toda la bola que estaba arriba se le vino por abajo.
Here, you need to film me. That flashlight don't work.
No.
No. I told you I broke it. Bring me the handheld ones.
La bolita, ¿no? Como quiera.
Sí, no creas, están los animalitos ahí.
Estamos queriendo, es un camarada.
Sí.
Están queriendo ver.
Ahorita nomás a ver qué se arriman. Es la mitad de aquella.
Sí.
Film. Boy.
I'm on film, boy. Follow me down.
Down, all the way to the ground. There you go, folks. All the bees.
Some of the bees. All the bees are up there still. Where's my love? Let me see a frame. Let me see a frame. Let's put the other one there in the front. Got a handful of bees. Let's sack it, channel. Give me the blade that fell down, please. Grab that with your extra hand. Right there.
Yeah, this is a baby one.
Huh?
The small one.
Yeah. Sí, What are you doing? Sí, no, eso es de volada. Esa no anda como uno que tiene que levantar a los trabajadores y... Sí. Just put it next to the butt. Sí, pues de las lluvias pasadas, ¿no?
Sí. Mira. Te las dejo ahí.
No me caes.
Te llenas.
Para el verano
No.
se pone buena la cosa. Here.
stings right in your eye.
Huh?
Hope it stings right in your eye.
Don't be hating on me because you got stung in your eye and you're all sold up.
I hate it.
Hey.
What?
Don't be zarandeando my como.
Someone got stung in my hand.
Oh, wear gloves, homeboy.
I don't got time.
You want to roll with the big dogs?
I am the big dog.
Act like a big dog. Show them the little bit of comb right there. That's cute. What?
I can do it that one.
Yeah, that one was gonna stung me in my eye.
That's all it does.
I closed my eyes with quick like reflexes.
That's all it does.
And I shushed it away. Bueno.
We're done.
I need a queen cage. No.
Pause it.
Pause it real quick. Right here with the folder. That's where you're getting? Come on this side over here. So people can see my technique with the folder. That's how we do, folks. Bee vacuum. Coming up. There she is. I just saw her. Hold this. Yeah. I think I saw her fly off.
Where to find her?
Hmm? I just saw her ass right now on camera.
Let me go back and look at the video.
Yeah, we're going to have to do the instant replay. Might have been a bigger bee, but no. We were there, she flew off. Like me up here, maybe it was on her. If it was, she flew off. And she'll fly back up here. Nice on bitch, no.
So have you seen that movie, Longest Yard?
Longest yard?
Yeah.
Yeah. The new one or the old one?
The old one.
Yeah.
And you know, Brucey
Yeah.
was there playing and everything, they're practicing, you know. And then all those black people come, the inmates.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? He starts crying. He's like, I would never get to play. You know.
Never get to do beer moment.
I'll never get to play. He's like me. I'll never find the queen.
I'll never find a queen. Telling you, I had her on there and she flew off. I had her on here. Which means time to bust out the flashlight. Yeah.
How are we gonna get the one in the back?
Huh?
So how are we gonna get the one in the back?
Oh, the tall one?
Yeah.
I'll figure it out. Let's focus on the task at hand first. Man, it's real hard to see her when it's cloudy days like that. She hides. Alright, let me take a little break. Let me pause it.
Man, that modernary milk burger last night was fucking good.
Yeah. Let me see that folder right quick.
I'm myself right now. I'm myself another one right now.
Oh yeah.
Like right now.
A Hardee's burger.
Fuck the Hardee's burger.
Huh?
Shit, I fucking miss those burgers. I miss the mushroom burger. Got me that little baby one. Got the big ass one for you. That's not fair.
That's why it's a junior burger, because you're still junior.
That don't mean nothing.
It's a junior burger.
Your face.
Huh?
So your face.
Junior. Man, I've been on a slump.
I think I just liked it because of the cheese.
It's these cloudy days, man. You can't see the queen. It's not good. Leave all that up there. Might put that box up there and let them crawl up there.
Oh, we could.
You could. What was that?
Your phone.
What phone stand?
I think I left the keys in the truck.
I've been known to break windows before and open my phone. They might.
I don't think you can break this one.
Why? I can break into this one.
I was just playing, but okay, I want to see. I got them in my pocket. Mofo.
I don't like these cloudy days.
Yeah, me either. I should be at my house recovering from my bee sting. That's because when we got into some. Oh no, we got into all of the boxes, right?
No,
Yesterday to
No.
feed. Yeah, we did.
we ain't into all of them.
Except for Clifford's.
In that 1 yard, maybe.
Yeah, only.
Where are you at? Let me see,
What?
my folder, but I'll do it like this for now. She could have flown out front into the box.
Could've.
Could have. The bottom is sealed up, right? Put that box up there, man. In the camera.
Look at gloves. Look at gloves.
Yeah.
Slayton?
Where?
Oh no.
It's right here. Zoom in.
There, we zoomed in.
Okay. You see it right here? My hand? It's a nice looking one.
Oh yeah.
You see it or no?
Yeah.
Damn it. She ran out trying to get her on film. Oh, now she's just hiding. She's right here.
Get her, get her. Que zoom in que nada, just get the bitch.
Yeah. Where's the smoker?
Right here?
I don't wanna. Let me see. That'll make her run inside the box. Man, I'm trying to show off to the camera.
I know.
I lost her. She's here though. She's nice looking. Very nice looking. She's right here. She's right here.
Get her, get her.
Oh, I got her right here.
¿Nos encontramos?
Here.
Zoom in, I'm gonna zoom into your hand.
Yeah. Tiger straight. You see her or no?
Yeah.
Huh?
Mhm.
Yeah? Alright. Thank you, Father, for letting me do what I do. Thank you for allowing us to harvest another one. Let me show. And then we'll do the last. Mire. Bueno, sígueme para allá porque se vienen para acá.
Who's here?
Once again, be smart, be safe, be strong. Like us on Facebook, like our videos on YouTube so we can post more. And any comments, suggestions, please put them in there. Messages, we're hitting up YouTube hard now. For the people that have liked us and want to see our advice and the way we do our stuff, I'll be posting more videos. And I'll turn it more into an educational site as well. Once again, be smart, be safe, be strong, be Slayton. Until next time.